Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Brothers and sisters in Islam, wherever you are in this world, I want to share with you two very, very powerful chapters of the most glorious Holy Quran. Chapters that with which if you supplicate to Allah with and make tawassul, you will get what you want. The first chapter is on the chapter of help or victory. That is إِذَا جَاءَ نَصْرُ اللَّهِ وَالْفَتْحُ وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهُ إِنَّهُ كَانَ تَوَّابًا. The meaning of this chapter is when Allah's help and victory come, and you see men embrace His religion in multitudes. Celebrate the praise of your Lord and seek His pardon. He is ever disposed to mercy. The second chapter is on the elephant. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في ترضين ورسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. Here Allah is saying, have you not considered how Allah dealt with the masters of the elephant? Did He not foil their stratagem and send against them flocks of birds, with which pelted them with clay stones, so that they became like plants cropped by cattle? Now, these two powerful chapters. Now, the first one, which is إِذَا جَاءَ نَصْرُ اللَّهِ وَالْفَتْحُ, should be recited 1,111 times. If at any time you are faced with difficulties, at any time you are faced with challenges, you recite إِذَا جَاءَ 1,111 times, Allah will do whatever you are asking Him to do. He will give you victory in a situation whereby you are seeking to be victorious in an election, in an office where you want to be elevated, in any situation you can think of, in businesses where you want to have more customers, your business to expand, your capital to increase several fold. And Alam Tara Kaifa, which is on the elephants. Remember, the whole world today is faced with a lot of challenges that all of us know that we have no answers to them. We cannot help ourselves, but the only thing we could do is to turn to Allah. Allah is the one who could assist, is the one who could help us, is the one who could take away all difficulties, all challenges that are difficult to us. Just like He has sent the birds to pelt the masters of the elephant, He can do away with all the evil people, the kidnappers, the people who are against Islam, who are doing a lot of things to castigate us, to do a lot of things to challenge Islam. As brothers and sisters in Islam, all of us all over the world, we could take it upon ourselves to recite Alam Tara Kayfa Fa'ala Rabbika bi Ashabil Fil, and believe me, whatever difficulty Islam is facing, whatever the Muslim Ummah is facing, whatever people who are against us, who are the kidnappers, the Boko Haram, the ISWAPs, and what have you, Allah can deal with them. He can send His own secret armies to deal with these people. So brothers and sisters in Islam, always involved in doing istighfar, salatin nabi, and la ilaha illallah at all times. Allah will come to our aid. Brothers and sisters in Islam, We have to continue to put our heads together to seek for guidance from Allah.